Welcome aboard Konecranes Sales and Operation Planning, also known as S&OP. In this short video, we'll tell you what S&OP is all about. Now sit comfortably, fasten your seatbelt, and enjoy the flight. In many companies, S&OP is one of the most important business processes. It brings balance to the entire value chain and is the primary method used to reach strategic targets. The main objective of sales and operation planning is to improve overall customer service and sales capability. This leads to deliveries closer to the planned schedule, with shorter delivery times generally and a more flexible and efficient use of resources. At Konecranes, S&OP aims to create end-to-end visibility, all the way from sales forecast to the delivery of a product or service. At our cruising altitude, we have a comprehensive view of the entire business and its core processes. Supply network planning based on predefined routing rules and business logics forms the foundation of our operations. Different Konecranes products use somewhat different planning models, but overall, the monthly S&OP process is basically the same for everything we offer our customers. The S&OP process consists of 3 sub-processes: demand planning, supply planning, and demand-supply balancing. Let's look at these sub-processes in more detail. In the demand planning process, we capture customer demand by making use of different inputs: our sales funnel information that comes through. The customer relationship management system, also known as CRM, plays a key role in this. We create a baseline plan using statistical planning models. We enrich the CRM data with other variables, such as external macro indicators like the Purchasing Manager Index, also known as PMI, and our financial forecasts. Our plans are tightly linked with the monetary value of customer order predictions, and we can combine or isolate the data across reporting areas such as countries, subregions, and regions. The main thing is the active dialogue between our salespeople and our operations. We ensure that dialogue and visibility is in place with monthly meetings between sales and operations. The outcome of the process is a demand plan that we send to our factories. We take special care to note any changes to the most recent S&OP plan. In the supply planning process, the main goal is to provide a clear view of the upcoming workload and materials requirements for our factories. Our supply capabilities include both capacity and materials availability. When we make supply plans, the S&OP team sends anticipated demand to our factories based on predefined business logics and routing rules. In each factory, teams specialized in materials management, controlling, order management, and leadership use this information when preparing capacity and materials requirements, along with financial plans every month. We also share these plans with our suppliers, subcontractors, and business partners. Our final step in our monthly S&OP process is balancing demand with supply. In this, we first identify the necessary balancing activities and provide Konecranes senior management with a summary of the latest S&OP, focusing on changes to the most recently confirmed demand plan. With this executive S&OP process step, management can also make informed decisions with real data. To help with these decisions, the S&OP team creates different scenarios and simulates various alternatives or options to choose from. Modern technology strongly supports S&OP. Our planning system landscape includes different data interfaces and tools. The Konecranes data platform is the main interface for our data input. We use a process automation tool to combine data sets and also to reduce our manual work, which also lowers the chance of human error. Statistical software, which includes dozens of planning models, generates the backbone of each S&OP plan. On the process output side, we publish and share relevant S&OP information with Microsoft Power BI. Using this data visualization tool, we make all necessary information available to relevant stakeholders. We upload the S&OP plan into our ERP systems to reserve capacity and materials accordingly. Konecranes also works with material suppliers who collaborate with us in following the plan. It's all about having one balanced plan for all stakeholders, both internal and external. We are now approaching our destination. This trip was just a short hop in our continuous journey of improvement as we continue to develop world-class planning processes in Konecranes. We have a lot of interesting journeys ahead. Do not hesitate to get in touch with your flight crew, the S&OP team, in case you have any questions. Thank you for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.